Look no further than the 2021 Jeep Renegade. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Punch up your daily drive in the seriously smart and capable Renegade. Its bold looks and rugged spirit inspire you on the road or on the trail. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, four-wheel drive, satellite radio. Don't be afraid to drive outside the box. Drive the Renegade.